Southern Indiana has just been affected by a very large hail and windstorm event. Hi, I'm John with Equity Builders Roofing, and this next 2 to 3 minutes is really designed to give you some information on what to expect over the next several days, weeks, and months ahead. First of all, we believe in a competitive work environment. There's a lot of good roofers out there, but when it comes to considering a roofer, we really encourage that you look at local roofers. There's going to be a lot of pop-up roofers, brand new roofers, and people coming in from out of town to maximize on the work that's going to be available from this storm. The unfortunate part is they may not be there long after this storm, after the roof goes up, for the life of the warranty, or should you need something if a leak pops up a year down the road. So we really encourage you to take time, do some online research, look at their websites, their Facebook pages, their online reviews, their business cards, they have a local number, and really evaluate, is that somebody that you're ready to make a commitment for that's going to commit to a 5-year workmanship warranty or whatever that warranty may be for the system of life of that roof system. There's going to be a lot of people knocking at your door. We personally believe that door-to-door marketing is one of the most direct ways to market to somebody, and we're going to be out informing people about the storm, the damage, and offering some complimentary inspections. Ask us questions. Ask us all the questions you have about the process. We want to answer those. We're going to have some information for you. But if you're unsure, again, it goes back to vetting that contractor, doing a little bit of research, looking online, asking for direct references, other local people that they've worked with, because there are going to be a lot of people at your door, a lot of flyers at your door. We just encourage you to take the time to really establish who you want to look at your roof system and who you want to work with. Are they offering free services? Are they offering you a free evaluation of roof system? Are they going to confirm damage before you start a claim? It's really helpful for you as the homeowner to see photos of what that damage is, so you can make a better decision on should I go through the claim process or not. Because if you're on the edge of some of these storms, you may have minor damage. If you've got a newer roof system, it may not have affected your roof system the same as a 20-year-old system. So we encourage you to select somebody that's really going to provide you accurate details. Is that contractor going to help you through the claims process? Because it is a process, and if you've not been through it before, you want to choose somebody who's experienced with how to inspect the roof, meeting with the adjuster, and providing all the local codes and details that are relevant to your roof system to make sure that you get everything you deserve as a homeowner when it comes to replacing and restoring your roof system. And lastly, the biggest thing is to just don't rush. If you don't have an immediate leak, a tree limb through your roof, and there's not damage that has to be stopped right away, and you're just curious, do I have damage for a claim? Take your time and ask the questions that you need to know that best fit you, your home, and your roof system. Again, a reputable contractor should be able to provide you great detail, good photos, confirm damage, assist through the process, so there's no hurry. The only limitation you may have would be whatever your policy has for you to start a claim from when the date of loss or the storm actually came through. So as long as you know what that is, just work within those time frames, but there's no rush. Don't feel pressure from any contractor to hurry through this process as long as you're meeting the requirements of your policy. We can't talk policy with you, but I'm sure your agent could give you those details. If you would like to set up a complimentary inspection, one thing that we can offer you once we start your claim is we do have a little flyer for you or a little sign that says you've already selected a roofing contractor. That way it kind of slows down the people coming and knocking at your door in that process. If you'd like to set up a complimentary inspection to determine if you have damage, you can call us, text us, or visit our website at equitybuildersroofing.com. As an A+ member of the BBB, we want to be the roofer that restores your home from this damage to a brand new roof system.